How to create stunning AI art for Instagram using Goku AI in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. Open your web browsing application. For me, it's Google. In Google search bar, you have to type in Goku AI and it will get you to this platform. From the homepage, you have to tap into the profile icon. Select AI image generator. To create your artwork, describe the image you want. Be detailed for the best result. For example, a dreamy sunset over a futuristic city. Tap on Generate. The AI have generated a art for your Instagram. You can change the resolution, style, lighting and color. Download the image in high resolution. Upload your AI generated art to the Instagram with a catchy caption and relevant hashtag. And that's it. Now you know how to create art for Instagram using Goku AI.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.